The most effective way to respond to any emergency is to prepare for it before it even happens. Very few people have the ability to remain calm and think clearly in a crisis, so it is important to do so in advance when you have the time to adequately plan for a wide array of workplace emergency scenarios. Any unforeseen situation that threatens your employees, customers, or the public, disrupts or shuts down your operations, or causes physical or environmental damage is considered a workplace emergency. They can include natural disasters like floods, tornadoes, and hurricanes, or man-made disasters like fires, chemical spills, explosions, and outbreaks of workplace violence. When developing your own workplace emergency action plan, outline what situations would require a mandatory evacuation of your workplace. Establish a clear chain of command, specifying exactly who is authorized to order a facility-wide evacuation or shutdown. Post specific evacuation procedures, including routes and exits, where they are easily accessible to all employees. Ensure that evacuation routes and emergency exits are clearly marked, well lit, and unobstructed at all times. Make plans to help assist the injured or disabled during an emergency. And lastly, develop a system of accounting for personnel following an evacuation. To ensure the fastest, most accurate accounting of your employees, designate assembly areas where employees should gather after evacuating. Take a head count at the assembly area. Identify the names and last known locations of anyone not accounted for and pass them on to the official in charge. Account for all visitors to your facility, including customers and suppliers, and establish procedures for expanding the evacuation in case the incident worsens. Once your employees have been properly trained on your workplace emergency action plan, it is a good idea to hold frequent practice drills to ensure that your employees are sufficiently prepared. When possible, include outside resources, such as police and fire departments. After each drill, gather management and employees together to evaluate the drill's effectiveness. Identify your evacuation plan's strengths and weaknesses, and if necessary, take concrete steps to improve it.